live.
Alright, we're live. For now. Hooking in. Heading out. Yeah, buddy. Woo! And don't slip and bump into me. I hate when people do that. Yeah. Hey, use your feet. Spread. Yeah, I already see it. Spread your legs. Come on, do it horse style. Spread them. You need it for balance. You can't have your feet close. Yeah, this is why you need shoes or at least socks. Yeah. Get it up. Come on, Tristan, get it higher. That's why you need shade. That thing's getting soaked. Woo. It's the water. Making extra waves. Alright, coming in. Wait, dude, you have to wait till we come in. You fucking nut. Thanks. Homo.
Careful of the death joint.
If it even gets over.
It's not completed.
Yep. Because you didn't let us get over first. We have to shift way before you do that.
I know.
Yeah, we got to shift over before you do that because it'll be too much weight.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, now shift over so I can do this. Wait, should I go this side, jive or tack?
Well, where are you trying to go?
Sandspin. That jive, turn it left.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to do it now.
Hold on. Let's
Tell me
go.
when you're ready. Let's go.
All right. Nope.
I gotta.
You're gonna have to tack. Hey, don't drop me, damn it. Dude! What are you doing? Holy shit! You're fucking killing me! You son of a bitch! What was that? You fucking porpoised it!
Okay, we're good now. Holy shit. Okay, look out. This boom is gonna come fucking swinging around. Look out. Get over there. Move.
I'm like, why am I drowning on the boat?
Look out. Bobo, hurry. Get up the top. Let me up there. I need to be right where you are.
Have you turned yet? There you go.
Should drop this down. Get over.
Ah, nah, it's fine. Thanks for the bath. Never going out front again. Right. Fucking drowning up there.
Want to go out, Bobo?
Ah, that thing didn't go across all the way. That's why it's stuck. The rope doesn't have enough slack. Yeah, can you get to that? You slow down. All right, go move that rope. It's the black rope's wrapped around. Yeah. Oh, it got hooked again. Check it out. Damn it! Crazy driver! Keep a hold of the fucking rope. Yeah, I'm aiming. You're just lucky. Going right through your ear. You wouldn't notice anyway.
Put the camera down a little bit. It's a little high.
Fuck, I don't know where the camera is.
Right there. I need to... It's still a little high.
What's that?
Where are you going? Don't bury the nose. You're going back in.
Yeah, actually, what's his name?
Fofo. What?
Bobo?
Fofo.
Okay. Yeah, scoot back in my spot while I'm out so we don't have weight on the front. There we go. Look at that. What'd you do to the gas pedal, bud? What'd you do? Are you turning?
No, I'm trying to find the spot. Trying to get to the sand.
Yeah, we're probably gonna have to go past it and then just drive up. Yeah. I'm like, 'cause you fell off a little bit. I'm like, yeah, we're gonna have to go past it and then come back up. I'm just gonna jump in and drag along. Yeah. Yeah, we found the wind.
Get back over here.
Ah, you're killing me. Want me to get in and pull out?
Get over, I'll do it.
Hey, scoot. Whoosh. Woo. You motherfucker, I would kill you.
There you go. Get over here now. Fuck.
You spit right in your ear. The salt water does not taste good. Are we aiming for right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably a little farther.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
get really close to the shore.
Yeah. Well, don't get too close. We don't have that much probably low over here.
Gotta get it. Oh, all right. Want to come in now?
Yeah.
How do I? Fucking shot it.
Yep. Okay. There we go. At least a turn this time. try, but oh well.
Have to do
We
another
had one
tack,
more, yeah.
Jai or something.
We just don't have that much room.
We had to drain these
We need the
holes.
fucking dagger boards breaking. We had one break before, yeah.
How? It's just, were
Because
you at the helm?
it was too low, and we didn't realize how low the tide was, and fucking just cracked it.
You were probably driving.
That's right.
Hang on, let me. Damn it, get to it. Okay, there's a little patch of wind there.
Fuck, I would've worn my spray gear. I knew all this shit was gonna happen.
You should have just looked out and saw a towel at you. Right where I almost flipped it once. Right in there. There wasn't 3 people on board.
Yeah, right in front of the dunes it gets like real windy.
And then there's just no wind.
Right, it just drops. Yeah.
What do you think would be a little farther?
Yeah, cause yeah.
Whoa, lost everything.
Yeah. That's a dead spot.
So I gotta do a jive.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Whoa!
What?
Down.
What hit you?
Almost, the boom almost tipped me.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for that thing. There we go. It's not bad.
Pull up the dagger board on the other side. Someone go over there and pull up the dagger board.
Grab that one. Pull it up, yeah, higher, way up. Way higher, especially since we're getting closer.
More.
Yeah, it's good there. Slow down, buddy, the beach is coming up.
It's all the way out. We should jump off. Right. Oh man, I can slow too much.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah, you can leave the main out, I'll just control it with the jib.
Wait, go unhook that rudder. Quickly. Just undo the rope, pull it upward. There you go.
And off my rope.
Here we go.
Crashing you. Yeah. Freaking drag you down with me.
Nice.